Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Sue Findlay and today I'm going to be showing you how I created my resin and tile grout sculpture piece. So as always, I started out with pouring the resin and I mixed in some candied orange liquid pigment, and I will leave a link in the description below for all the products used in the making of this video. Next I added some cranberry to create the darker areas in the centre of the resin, and then just using the back of the spoon I've just mixed that around to help blend it slightly. I then let the resin sit for about 10-15 minutes before coming back and adding the acrylic diamonds. So I've just added these in a random pattern around the outer edge of the resin, being mindful not to place any in the centre because we don't want to create any unnecessary bumps in the centre, so that otherwise it will topple over once it's cured. This video has been sponsored by Sue's Creative Circle. Sue's Creative Circle is a place where like-minded individuals come together to learn more about resin and mixed media. So if you'd like to find out more, then check out the links in the description below. I then let the resin sit for about 4 hours. You need to double check your resin because at different times of the year it will be curing at different rates. So because it's a bit cooler here in Australia, I waited 4 hours before moving this. And then I'm just going to make sure that we've got a good pattern on the edge of the resin by just making sure that there's some nice creases on the sides. So you just need to manipulate this so that you get it hanging down as you want it, and then you can add a touch of heat to help move the resin down to form the drips. Next I mixed up a batch of tile grout, but you can use cement or any other mortar or concrete type material. What the idea is that we want this to flow over the side of the resin, but not flow too quick that it just runs off. So you just need to make sure that the consistency is thick enough and that you can allow it to slowly drip down the sides. I find using the back of the spoon helps to push it over the sides much easier, and it helps with the movement of the texture over the sides. Then we're going to let that cure overnight and then come back and paint all of the texture black. Make sure that you get into all the nooks and crannies and that all of the texture is covered with black acrylic paint. So once your black paint is dry, we're then going to dry brush some silver metallic paint over the surface of the texture. This helps to show off the texture in the stone effect underneath and helps to bring out the highlights. As always, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you would like to see the full length version, then pop on over to Sue's Creative Circle. I shall leave a link for that in the description below. I would also, if you like this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, or better still, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment about your thoughts on this. It would be very much appreciated. So until the next time, bye for now.